Hello and welcome to the 10th module of our course on AI for financial forecasting. The 10th module deals with the future trends and the capstone thinking. Let's begin with a forward-looking question. What will financial forecasting look like 5 years from now? Will finance teams still rely on spreadsheets? Will forecasting still be periodic? Will decisions still be reactive? Or will we move toward a world where forecasts update in real time, decisions are continuously optimized, and AI acts as a strategic co-pilot? Because everything you have learned in this course, from data engineering to AI models to governance, this is not the end state. It's the foundation. This module is about where things are heading and how you can start thinking like a future-ready finance leader. The shift towards autonomous finance. We are entering in an era often described as autonomous finance. What does that mean? Financial systems that continuously ingest data, generate forecasts automatically, recommend decisions, execute actions with minimal human intervention. For example, automated liquidity management, real-time risk monitoring, and dynamic pricing models. Finance is moving from decision support to decision automation. What is generative AI in financial planning? Generative AI is transforming how insights are created. What is generative AI. AI that can generate text, AI that can create reports, and AI that can stimulate scenarios. The applications in financial planning and analysis. The first one is automated financials narratives. AI can generate forecast summaries, variance explanations, and executive reports. The second is scenario generation. Instead of manually defining scenarios, AI can create multiple economic scenarios, stress conditions, and strategic alternatives. The third is decision recommendations. AI suggests budget reallocations and risk mitigation strategies. Generative AI enhances both analysis and communication. What is real-time and continuous forecasting? Traditional forecasting is periodic, but the future forecasting is continuous. The few characteristics of continuous forecasting or future forecasting is number one, real-time data integration, dynamic updates, and immediate insights. For example, instead of monthly forecasts, organizations move to daily or real-time forecasts. The impact of this is faster decision making, helps in greater agility, and improved accuracy. Let us now understand AI and human collaboration. A common misconception is that AI will replace the finance professionals. But the reality is AI will augment, not replace, human decision making. There is a division of roles between AI and humans. AI, on one hand, handles the data processing, the pattern detection, and the scenario simulation. On the other hand, the humans handle strategic judgment, ethical considerations, and contextual decisions. The future CFO is not replaced by AI, but empowered by it. There are emerging technologies that are shaping the future. Few of them are: number one, the cloud computing that enables scalability and real-time processing. The second emerging technology shaping the future is API-driven ecosystems, which allow seamless data integration and interconnected systems. The third emerging technology shaping the future is advanced analytics platforms that provide faster insights and better visualization. The fourth emerging technology is embedded AI in finance systems. AI becomes built into tools, invisible but powerful. AI will not be a separate layer. It will be embedded into every financial system. There is also an element of ethical AI and responsible finance. As AI adoption increases, so do the ethical considerations. The key concerns in this respect are bias in models, lack of transparency, and over reliance on automation. The key principles of responsible AI are as under: number one, fairness. Avoid biased outcomes. The second is transparency. Explain the decisions. One should be able to explain why a particular decision has been taken. The third is accountability. There should be a clear ownership of decisions. The next is privacy. Protect the sensitive data. Ethical AI is not optional. It is essential. The capstone thinking, that is how to design your own strategy, AI strategy. Now let's bring everything together. Imagine you are a CFO and you need to design an AI-driven forecasting system. So the first step is define the objective. What problem you are solving? What is the cash flow? What is the demand? What is the risk? Everything should be well stated and the objective should be defined. The second step is identify the data sources. The various types of data sources can be internal as well as external. As a CFO, based on the objective, you should be in a position to understand from where and what type of data you should use so that your forecasting and your strategy works well. The third step is choose the right approach. Choose the proper model, the predictive model or the scenario modeling, whatever you feel is appropriate based on the objective, the proper choice of approach should be made. The fourth step is define your outputs. Whether your outputs will be through forecasts or dashboards or decision recommendations, that should be clearly stated. The fifth step is consider risks. That is the data quality, the model risk, and the governance. Last but not the least, plan the implementation. Put the model on a pilot basis, test it, and then scale it to the real world scenario to get actually the benefit of the strategy. The strategy comes before the tools. The strategy should be well defined, and then only the tools should be implemented. Let us quickly understand till now what we have done as the final summary. In this particular course, we studied the foundations of AI in forecasting, the data engineering principles, the cash flow predictions, the demand forecasting, scenario modeling, financial planning and analysis transformation, model validation and explainability, implementation and governance, and the tools and the case studies, as well as the future trends. With this, we come to the end of this course. Hope it has added value to your knowledge. Thank you very much.